Everyone has a secret. Some are indifferent to it. Others are afraid of it. As a celebrity, denying their existence is always wrong. It's a matter of time before they make it to our files.
Reasonable doubt and evidence can make or break anyone's career in a flash. It can make you a rock star in a minute, or it can make you just a wannabe. Today we have arrested one of Pakistan's rock stars to be, Tansir Dar. He's from a very promising band called Karwan, who have yet to prove their worth. Let's see if Tansir Dar can stand our interrogation. Tansir Dar, आपको पता है आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं ना? What's the arrogance about? Tell me, why is this arrogance?
Yeah, this is you're wasting my time.
I'm not wasting your time. You're here for as long as I want you to be here. If your time was as important, you know, to the rest of the world, they would have asked you not to leave.
Go ahead.
ये देखिए पाकिस्तानी रॉक स्टार्स आज तक कहीं कुछ किया नहीं है मेरा एटीट्यूड बहुत है तंसीर डार क्या हो रहा है क्या कर रहे हैं आप You know why we've called you. Let me just brief you about maybe the arresting officers probably told you. We have a long list of accusations against you.
Good.
आप के बारे में बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें आई हैं that will prove whether you are a rock star in the making or you're just another wannabe.
Yeah, sure.
Starting up you sound like you're just a wannabe, but it's all good. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, you've been playing for how long? You've been singing with
I've been playing keyboards, I've been composing music before, and I joined Karwan as a singer.
कारवान वालों ने आपको इसलिए रखा था because Najim Shiraz left.
रखा नहीं था. I joined them basically. They don't have a singer at that time.
They did not have a singer, you mean to say?
Yeah.
तो इसलिए आपने join कर लिया because you thought Najim Shiraz की जगह आपको थोड़ी सी publicity तो मिल जाएगी.
No, it's not about publicity.
Because before that, what were you doing? Who knows you before that?
Before that, I used to play keyboards. I have already had 2 albums out. I had a band called Arsh.
Yeah.
In the 90s, and then
किसी ने आज तक अर्श का was there a video of Arsh?
Yeah, there were like 3 videos, which
probably did not. हाँ कुछ चल नहीं पाए होंगे, कुछ मसला हो गया, कुछ ये हुआ, कुछ
बैन की वजह से लंबे बालों की बैन की वजह से हमारे चल नहीं पाए थे, जिसमें आप बहुत काम कर रहे हैं इस वक्त.
मुझे ये बताओ, when you joined Karwan, what have you been doing with Karwan? What all have you done in terms of songwriting? In terms of just, are you just doing the vocals? Are you doing lyrics?
I am doing all the melodies in the band.
Okay.
And my responsibility in the band is कि melody सारी मैं बनाता हूँ और उसके बाद lyricist जो के साथ बैठना और उसके साथ काम करना और lyrics को finalize करना. Is my job.
Okay.
Music, producing, and recording and everything is Asid, Sameer, and Alan work.
अच्छा. तो उसके अंदर आप कुछ नहीं ज़्यादा करते?
I do a lot, but it's not. I don't play anything in the band. I used to play keyboards, but I used to sequence songs. There are like few songs जो मैंने sequence किए थे अपने time में. फिर
How long has it been since you joined Karwan?
It's been 99.
99. It's been about 7 years.
Yeah,
7 years. How much have you guys done as a band?
It's been 3 albums.
2 albums.
No, 3. One is on the net. Unplugged and
One
Unleashed.
Unplugged and Unleashed.
It's a live album.
मुझे ये बताओ, Unplugged and Unleashed का तुम लोगों को commercially क्या फायदा हो रहा है?
तो commercially हमें पिछली भी 2 albums में से कोई ऐसा कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ है.
तो क्यों बनाई थी?
Commercially album क्योंकि we want our music to be out there in the market.
But last
for our
time,
fans, for our listeners.
For our listeners, कितने listeners हैं? You guys cater to a very small market, you know that, right?
No, we don't cater to a very small market.
Are you catering to the same market as Jawad Ahmed and Brarul Haq?
No, we're catering to a
smaller market.
To a market where like you can say कि all the new rock bands, जितने rock bands नए आ रहे हैं, जिनको वो सुनते हैं वो they have heard us, then they started listening to all of these things.
Yeah. But देखो आजकल जो नए rock bands as such जो आ रहे हैं, they're producing like really crappy music.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So would you guys consider yourself in the same category?
Why?
Exactly.
We're not doing anything. That's why we're not doing anything. We're just sitting.
Because you can't.
We don't want to do anything right now at the moment.
Why?
Because
It's been 3 years.
All of us.
It's been 3 years since your last album,
Yeah,
at
I
least.
know that. I know
क्यों
that.
नहीं
I've been
किया?
answering these questions over and over
Yeah,
again.
तो दोबारा बताओ ना. Give
the
us the
thing
answer.
is-
Give us the
the
real
thing-
answer.
okay, the
Nouri,
thing is-
Nouri's been coming out with an album after the other. They're like your biggest competitors, I think.
No. I don't see them as our competitors. The thing
Why?
is, सबसे बड़ी बात जो पहली बात है जो हम लोग म्यूजिक कर रहे हैं पूरी इंडस्ट्री है मैं कंपेटिटिव समझता ही नहीं हूँ किसी को किसी का म्यूजिक एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप भी कर सकते हैं मैं भी कर सकता हूँ अगर कल आप कोई अच्छा गाना बना लें और आप बोलें कि मैं आपका कंपेटिटिव हूँ दैट्स नॉट इट
फिर क्या होता है?
ये म्यूजिक कोई भी
अगर
कर
आप
सकता है
अगर
कोई
आपकी
भी कर
एल्बम
सकता
अगर
है।
आपकी एल्बम की बजाय कोई मेरी एल्बम खरीदेगा दैट्स कंपटीशन
नो
दैट इज कंपटीशन
No.
दैट इज
दैट्स
कंपटीशन
हिज ओन लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स
No, that's competition.
No, man.
If you understood business, you'd know
No,
that much.
I'm not into music for business.
Why not?
I'm not into music for business. If I'm doing music for business, I could have done a song like Abraham Rap
Yeah,
so long.
yeah.
I'm not doing it.
So what are you
Never
doing
I
it
could
for?
have sang it. No, that's not that.
That's why you guys are not interested in music because you have your other business concern.
No, that's
Asad has a different business concern, and
that's
that's another thing. तो सारे जो आप लोगों का ये जो 7 साल का जो journey है, that's probably not leading to any commercial benefit for any of you guys, except for just fulfilling your passion. Is that it?
no. It's like Asad was playing in Awaz,
Yeah.
as you know, and Sameer is playing with Junoon and all the other bands, and Aaron Smith was also sessioning here and there. So it's like I was into music for this. I like. It's not like कि नजम शिराज अगर गया तो मैं उस बैंड में सिंगर बनने आया क्योंकि मैं फेमस हो जाऊँ या ऐसी कोई बात होता है. It's like I tried my level best to replace him, and the thing is I given my fans, Karma fans, a hit song called Aage Ye Aage, Dil Ki Pyas, and these songs that's my melody and everything, and उसके बाद अगर आप इसको इस तरह देखेंगे कारवा बन गया ऊपर ही गया नीचे नहीं गया आफ्टर नजम शिराज लेफ्ट
कहाँ नहीं ऊपर गया यार कारवान
मैन आगे ही आगे इज अ बिगर हिट देन एवर आगे इज द
कारवान के साथ जब नजम शराज था तो उसकी एक रेपुटेशन मार्केट में एक बहुत डिफरेंट थी और जब आप आए तो उसकी एक मार्केट की काफी एक डिफरेंट रेपुटेशन
take anyone for example, take a new designer for example, okay? If there are like few designers who's like taking over the market and new designers just comes in, he will take time, any business, if you go into any business, if you're talking about business,
good enough time.
Yeah, I am there. Aage Ye Aage is a bigger hit than ever.
Okay. Accusation number 2, that was about your metamorphosis or your evolution about the last 7 years. Inconsistency in what you guys have released. You guys have already talked about कि भाई you're not into the music because of commercial reasons, but tell me कि कब तक इसी तरह काम चलता रहेगा कि जी जब दिल चाहेगा तब म्यूजिक बनाओगे सिर्फ जब दिल चाहेगा
no, it's not about
साल में एक गाना 12 साल के बाद एक
12 साल में तो नहीं खैर 4 साल में हो जाता है क्योंकि
3 साल हो गए यार.
The thing is dude, Sameer is not there. He's working he's in Dubai right now. He's working for a radio channel there.
Yeah.
And Alan wasn't there in the band as well. He was busy sessioning with Ali Azmat. And Asad was busy taking care of his own family business.
Sorry.
And because I have responsibilities as well, I have my own business as well. So you have to have a backup if you're not doing music. Music can't give you everything basically. That's the fact. If you're living in Pakistan, you're not doing commercial music, you're not playing the bangla or all that stuff, then you have to have a backup if you want to do your own music basically. जो music आपने दिल से करना है, जो आप चाहते हो करना, अगर आपको वो करना है तो it will take time.
तो मुझे एक चीज़ बताओ, are the fans ready for this kind of an attitude कि जी हम 4 साल 5 साल के बाद एल्बम रिलीज करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे? Because the fans are buying like albums. एनी की एल्बम भी खरीद लेंगे, उमर इनायत की भी एल्बम खरीद लेंगे, जुनून की भी एल्बम खरीद लेंगे, वो सब की एल्बम्स खरीद लेते हैं, बट आपकी एल्बम होती नहीं है. अगर आप लोग भी एल्बम रिलीज करोगे तो शायद वो ले ही लें, बेशक अच्छी ना भी हो.
The thing is अच्छी ना हो तो वो अच्छी हो या ना हो, that's up to them. It's like dislikes और likes हर किसी की डिफरेंट होती रहती हैं और टाइम के साथ हर इंसान चेंज होता है. When I started listening music, I started listening to Michael Jackson.
हाँ, वो तो लग रहा है.
Now the thing is it's good है, अच्छी बात है, वो कोई अच्छा बुरा आर्टिस्ट नहीं है, he's a very good artist in the end. I must
Why are you getting defensive about Michael Jackson यार?
Because
आपके उस तरह के शौक होंगे, लेकिन I'm not putting anything. मैंने कभी ये नहीं बोला कि वो बुरा आदमी है.
उस तरह के शौक क्या मतलब? आप कह रहे हैं उसकी जो हरकतें करता है, that's his own thing यार. अगर मेरी उस तरह की हरकतें होती तो मैं आपके पास अभी ना होता इस वक्त.
Maybe आप इसीलिए आए हो.
क्या वो आप कुछ सवाल करें ना वो वाले,
वो आगे आएंगे।
चले ठीक है। खैर एनीवे, तो उसके बाद माइकल जैक्सन के बाद आई स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू U2 एंड ऑल द रॉक बैंड्स।